Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a chocolate chip banana nut bread. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I post new videos every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday, so make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Then grease a 9x5 inch loaf pan either with softened butter or cooking spray. And set it aside for now. Then in a large bowl, add in the flour, baking powder, salt, and sugar, and whisk them together until they're combined, and set it aside for now. Then in a medium bowl, add in the overripe bananas. The key to the best banana bread is using super overripe bananas. Ones that are completely black and very soft, mushy, and liquidy are best because they give the best, strongest banana flavor, moisture, and sweetness that you'd never get using perfectly ripe bananas. And don't throw them out if you think they're too overripe. They're not. Only discard them if they're moldy on the inside. I know they seem bad and unpleasant, but very overripe bananas are essential for making perfect banana bread. Then use a whisk to mash up the bananas. Then add in the butter that's been melted and cooled. And whisk it in until it's combined. Then add in the eggs that are at room temperature. And vanilla extract. And whisk them together until they're combined. Then add the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. And add in the chocolate chips. And chopped walnuts, or any nuts you like, or leave them out if you don't like nuts. And mix it until it's just combined. You don't want to overmix the batter or the banana bread will have a tough texture. Then pour the batter into the prepared pan. And bake it in the oven for 50 to 60 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean or mostly clean with a few moist crumbs. When it's done, remove it from the oven and place it onto a cooling rack and let it cool in the pan for 5 minutes until it's cool enough to handle. And turn it out of the pan onto the cooling rack and let it cool completely, or you can serve it while it's still warm. And that's how to make a chocolate chip banana nut bread. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.